Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new video. If you're new here, hi, I'm Isa. I hope you stay subscribed. I do a lot of lifestyle slash book related videos, so if you like that, click the button down below. But finally, you guys, finally, welcome to my apartment tour. If you don't know, if you're new here, I moved into my first apartment at the beginning of February, and it's been a month, a little bit over a month, and I'm finally going to do the apartment tour. I did kind of finish my apartment, like decorating my apartment and everything, pretty soon, but I don't know, I wanted to wait a little bit. So today I'm going to be showing you my apartment. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment. I live in Panama. If you don't know, I'm not going to tell you where because Panama is really small and you would probably know where I live, and I don't want that. So but yeah, let's get started. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I upload more videos, and let's get started. Okay, so I'm facing my front door right now, and when you walk through the door, I have basically my living room area and my dining room area, and I'm gonna show you that first. So the first thing that you see when you walk through the door is this little rack that I have here to put my shoes. I've always wanted this because I'm someone that I leave my shoes all over the house if I don't have like a space to put my shoes in, you know what I mean? So I have this. Then if we go up, I have my living room area basically. So this is where I do most of my reading. I honestly spend a lot of time in this couch. So almost all of my furniture I got from like local stores, local businesses in Panama. So I'm just gonna tell you where I got them from if you live in Panama, which unlikely, but if you do, you can get them, because I can't actually order like a lot of stuff online because shipping is really expensive. So yeah, but here's my living room space, which I love. It's one of my favorite parts of the apartment. So this is my couch. I got this couch from Ashley's store. It's honestly perfect. I am in love with this couch so much. And my pillows are from Stevens. Así que si vives en Panamá, en Stevens, las compré. If we go down here, I have this little coffee table that you can actually open, and I mostly just like put like blankets there, but it's a coffee table. I got it from Deco Express in Panama, but it's from Ikea, so I'm gonna leave the model of the like Ikea model in the description if you want to get it. But it's so perfect. Like, this coffee table is perfect. It's the perfect size. I love that I can put blankets, and it's just amazing. Okay, and for this little decoration that I have here, I got this also from a local store. It's called Nordic, así que si estás en Panamá, Nordic de Marbella, and they have beautiful, like, really honestly aesthetic things. So also the flowers are fake, which I also got from Nordic. So I love this arrangement. It's so beautiful. So in this side I have a fan, because if not I'm gonna suffocate literally. It's really hot in Panama and I need that fan. It's the best. I got that fan from, oh my gosh, I think it's Novi or Duit Center. Ya no me acuerdo, creo que fue Novi. And this beautiful big mirror, I got it from Conway de Albrook. And the last thing I have here is this little table. I use this table when I sit in the couch and I put like my books or my computer or any drink that I have. The last thing is a floor lamp, which I honestly have no idea where I got this lamp. Like, this is old. So when you pass the living room area that I just showed you, in the back I have my dining room area. But I do have 2 big windows right over there and a balcony that I'm not going to show you, but I do have two windows that I love because I get a lot of natural light. So I honestly think that the dining room area in my apartment is my favorite part of the apartment, just because of the entire decoration, my table, my chairs, my frames, and everything. I am so in love. So this is an overview of what you see. So first off, I have this big wall, and I put this little shelf that I got also from Conway de Multicentro, and I love it so much. I had this shelf in my other house, in my other room, and I literally just have decorations like fake plants, some books, I have candles, I have two frames that I love, I am obsessed, and I got these also from Conway, pero Conway de Albrook. And in this little corner, I have a lamp that I love so much. I got it from Esencia Deco, and it's from Ikea, but I'm gonna leave the model, the Ikea model, in the description if you want to get it, but it's so pretty, you guys. And finally, we get to my table, my dining room table, and my chairs. You guys, I love my chairs so much. They're honestly so different. That's why I love them, and they're so comfortable. My table is from Esencia Deco, and my chairs are from Alice, pero el Alice de el Panama Clinic, que es ese edificio grande nuevo en Punta Pacífica. Tienen un Alice súper grande, y encontré estas sillas ahí, casi me muero de la emoción. But yeah, those are my chairs. They're so pretty and I love them. And that is the overview of my entire dining room slash living room space. Okay, I'm gonna show you now the kitchen. So let's go to the kitchen. And also my my washer and dryer. So I think the kitchen is also one of my favorite parts. I love that the kitchen is kind of hidden from the apartment. If you walk through the door of my apartment, you don't see the kitchen right away. You need to walk in this hidden space, and then you get to the kitchen, which I love because I've seen a lot of apartments in Florida, and most of the apartments in Florida have the kitchens right when you walk through the door. Personally, I don't like that, so I love that this apartment has the kitchen hidden. So this is the overview of the kitchen. I have my cabinets at the top, and then I have my sink and where I cook, and at the bottom I have my oven, really small cute oven which I haven't even used, and a lot of cabinets. Turn around, I have my refrigerator, which also came with the apartment, and this cabinet I actually bought. Needed a little bit more space to put my microwave. I have an air fryer and a toaster, and that is basically my pantry. And when you go through here, I basically have my washer and dryer, which is so messy at the moment, so sorry about that, don't pay attention to that, but that's my washer and dryer. So now that you've seen almost the entire first part of the apartment, let's go to the bedrooms and bathrooms. So it's kind of like this little space where you walk through here, and I have one door over here which is a bedroom, a bathroom, guest bathroom. So let's start with my office space. So when you walk through the office, the first thing that you see is my desk, which is my desk to work, and my book cart. So my desk is from Ikea, but it's a really old model. I'm going to try to find it. I have no idea what it is called, so yeah, but I have a lot of books. I have a stack of books that I don't know where to put because I don't have space for my books right now. So I have a mirror that I got from my best friend. She gave me that mirror for housewarming gift. So it says "You look good," and it's so cute. Then I have my microphone for my podcast, my computer, and a lot of cute things. I have a whole video where I show you guys how I organized my desk and where I got everything from, so I'm also going to link that in the description if you want to see all the details. And when you turn around, there is a huge window here, and then you get to my bookshelves. At the right, I have my makeup drawer, basically a makeup drawer where I keep my makeup and all that stuff. Then I have my first two bookshelves, which I love. They're so pretty. I am so obsessed. Then I have this chair. It's also from Ikea, but I got it from Esencial. Then we have this other bookshelf, and I'm not even gonna show you a close-up of this bookshelf because I have all of my makeup at the top and it's so messy. I have a mirror. This is basically the overview of my office space and my like home library space. Welcome to my bedroom. I have a door there, and that's my bathroom, my main bathroom that I always use. And I have a clothing rack. I put the clothes that I usually wear. And then, okay, so I always get questions on what the hell is this? So this is my dog's bed. It's so cute also, but yeah. That's my dog's bed, and that is my bed. Don't have a lot of things to say about my bed. There is my main bathroom, and when you turn around, I have my closet. So you guys, that is basically my apartment. I hope you enjoyed. It was a quick video, but I've always wanted to do a apartment tour, so I am very happy that I did it. And if you're still here, thank you so much for watching. If you have any video requests, leave them down below in the comments and I will get to them. But yeah, I hope you are having an amazing Saturday and you have an amazing weekend. So I will see you probably Tuesday with a new video. I will see you then. Bye!
No corks and bottles ready to pop out. Oh, no more crying. We are knocking out another year of new loves.